Shall we start, sir? Respected Managing Director, Directors, CFO, Chief Operating Officer, Auditors, Scrutinizers, and Shareholders. Good morning to all. I welcome you all for the 39th Annual General Meeting of POLYSPIN Exports Limited, which is being conducted through video conferencing as per the circulars issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Securities and Exchange Board of India. The company is providing live webcast of this meeting through NSDL platform. The company is not having permanent chairman of the board, hence we have to elect chairman of this meeting.
I propose Sri Rajesh Devarajan to be the chairman today.
As proposed by Sri R. Ramji, Managing Director of the company, Sri Rajesh Devarajan is elected as chairman of this meeting. I would like to introduce Sri Rajesh Devarajan. He is an independent director of the company, holds master degree in ME from Texas A&M University, USA. He has 2 decades of rich experience in management consultancy and hotel management. He is on the board of the company since 2019. I request Chairman Sri Rajesh Devarajan to preside over the meeting and introduce the director and other attendees joined through video conference.
Thank you. Good morning to everybody. I take great pleasure in inviting you all to this 39th Annual General Meeting of POLYSPIN Exports Limited. Let me take this opportunity to introduce all the directors and the panelists who are participating through this video conference. Firstly, I'm introducing Shri R. G, Managing Director of the company, who holds a bachelor's degree in corporate secretariat. He has very rich experience in technical textile industry and has been in the woven sack industry for 3 decades. He is on the board of the company since 1991. Next, Shri R. Sundaram, Independent Director. He is a chartered accountant. He has wide knowledge in the areas of tax planning and management. He is the chairman of Audit Committee and Nomination and Remuneration Committee and has been on the board of the company since 2019. Shri S.R. Subramanian, Non-Executive Director, who holds a master's degree in science. He has 4 decades of rich experience in bank and stock market activities. He is the chairman of Stakeholders Relationship Committee and on the board of the company since 1985. Next, Shri V.S. Jagdish, Independent Director, who holds a BTech in Textile Technology. He has around 5 decades of rich experience in manufacturing industry and administration. He is on the board of the company since 2019. Next, Shri S.V. Ravi, Non-Executive Director, who holds a bachelor's degree in business administration. He is the Managing Director of Chola Packaging Private Limited. He has rich experience in technical textile industry and business management. He is on the board of the company since 1992. I would also like to introduce the other panelists, Shri B. Subramanian, Secretarial Auditor and Scrutinizer, Shri B. Pondram, Chief Operating Officer, Shri S. Srinivasa Varadan, Chief Financial Officer, and Shri V. Sri Krishnan, Partner of Krishnan and Raman, Statutory Auditors of the company. The minimum quorum required for conducting this meeting is 15 members. I confirm that the sufficient quorum is present. I request now the Company Secretary to take over the proceedings of the meeting.
Thank you, Chairman. The registers as secured under the Companies Act are available and will remain accessible to the members electronically. Members who would like to inspect the registers can send the request to the email ID polyspinexportcs@gmail.com. The notice convening this 39th Annual General Meeting, along with the Director's Report, Auditor's Report and financial statements for the year ended 31st March 2024, has already been circulated to the members through email on 6th August 2024 and also uploaded on the website of the company and the stock exchange. With the consent of the members, the AGM notice taken as read. Auditor's Report and the Secretarial Audit Report for the year ended 31st March 2024 did not contain any qualification or reservation or adverse remarks. With the consent of the members, the auditor's reports taken as read. The company has provided the remote voting facility to the members to vote the proposed resolutions. The remote voting facility commenced on 27th August 2024 at 9 a.m. and closed on 5 p.m. on 29th August 2024. In addition to the remote e-voting, the arrangement has been made for e-voting during this AGM. The members who are attending this AGM through VC and not voted in the remote e-voting can vote during this meeting. The e-voting will remain open for 15 minutes after close of the AGM. The members who have not voted earlier can now vote there before close of this voting session. The members who are already voted in the remote e-voting can attend this meeting and shall not be entitled to vote again. Now I request our Managing Director to apprise the members about the performance of the company for the financial year 2023-24 and future prospects.
Good morning, dear shareholders. A very warm welcome to all shareholders, directors, auditors, and key management personnel to this 39th annual general meeting being conducted through a VC mode as per circular issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI. I thank all of you for participating in this meeting. I would like to highlight the company's performance for the financial year 23-24 and compared to 22-23. The company has earned a total revenue of 206.11 crore as against 212 crore of the previous year. The earnings before interest, that is the EBITDA of 2.96 crores as against 8.5 crores for the previous year. The cash loss of 0.95 crore as against the cash profit of 5.3 crore of the previous year. The loss before tax stood at 4.12 crore as against the profit before tax of 2.56 crores of the previous year. The company has incurred a loss of 85 lakhs as against 1.23 crore of the previous year in the discontinued operation, which is textile division. The net loss stood at 3.32 crore as against 91 lakhs of the previous year. Overall, there was a drop of 3% in revenue and significant drop in profits due to slowdown in the US market. The fluctuation in international raw material price and the operations of textile division has been closed from 16th June 2023. In FIBC segment, the company registered a turnover of 198.62 crore as against 205 crore of the previous year on the account of slowdown in the US market. The textile segment, the company registered a turnover of 10.26 crore as against 33.20 crores of the previous year on account of operation has been stopped from 16th June 2023 and permanently closed from August 23 due to the following reasons. Market conditions are not favorable. Unremunerative selling prices of the yarn, unpredictable frequent increase in raw material prices, but no increase in selling price of yarn. Fourth, the performance of the division was not satisfactory. The above factors led to closure of textile division as an unviable unit. The land and building are currently used for phased expansion of our presently FIBC division. Further, the company is in the process of selling the machineries and other movable assets of this division and is expected to complete by September 24. The purchasing power of consumers in global market has declined. US and European importers are looked at their Indian manufacturers to produce and ship at the low cost, highly competitive prices. During the year, the company has installed 1.3 megawatt rooftop solar power plant, at which FIBC division at the cost of 5.78 crores. The panel started generating powers from April 24 onwards. The full benefits of the investment will be reflected in the current financial years. On a global economic perspective, the FIBC size is estimated at USD 5.14 billion and in 2024 expected to reach 7.22 billion by 29, growing at a CAGR of 5.81 during the forecast 24-29. The overall performance of the company was not good for the year 24. Your directors had not recommended any dividend for the year 2024, considering the loss incurred by the company. The future outlook. The company is expecting a steady growth in the financial year 24-25, which were seen from the first quarter of the financial year. The first quarter we did well by strengthening the operational efficiency and cost control, such as consuming captive solar power, standardization of supply chain, and other decisive internal measures. We are optimistic about better financial performance in the coming years. The outlook of our operations in the near term looks very good due to improvement in orders. With the expansion of food and pharmaceutical industries around the world, the FIBC market is expected to witness impressive growth for the next decade. The company has also set in place a strong reduction plan for this fiscal year. Cost reduction. I thank shareholders for their continued support and participation in the AGM. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The company had arranged a two-way communication in the meeting. Members desirous of expressing their views or ask questions during the meeting have been requested to register themselves as a speaker by sending their request at least 3 days prior to the meeting. I inform that 3 members have registered as speaker shareholders for today's meeting. I will now call upon speaker shareholders one by one. Now I invite the first speaker, Mr. Vaibhav Bajatia, to speak.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Hi, sir. Thanks for providing me the opportunity to speak. And
Sorry, it's not audible. I'm not able to hear you properly.
yeah. Hello. Yeah. Can you hear me now? Is it better now, sir?
Volume reduce பண்ணுங்க. Yeah, you can talk now. Yeah.
Is it better now? Can you hear me
Yeah,
properly?
better.
Okay. Thanks a lot. So, sir, thanks for providing me the opportunity. And I really thank you to provide the detailed answers to my questions already.
Yeah.
That was really helpful. But I just have, two or three follow-up questions if you allow me, and I will quickly ask
Yeah,
it.
please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So, sir, first of all, on the succession planning, while you have answered in the questionnaire, but what I wanted to actually know is that I don't want to know the name of the people who is going to take over, but family members who are currently.
Sir, let me tell you, I have 2 daughters. They're all educated.
Okay.
One day they will come into the business, take
Okay,
over.
that's helpful.
But it's too early. It's too early for me to decide right now.
Yeah, I understand. I understand that completely, but I just wanted to know potential members. That's about it. And sir, as far as Sri Lankan associate companies concerned, you have mentioned that it is engaged in complementary business. So if
Yeah.
you just help me understand more about the nature of that complementary business, that what exactly does it do and how does it complement our business?
See, our company holds only 38% of shareholding in that company,
Right.
and we make only small bags there, 50 kg bags.
Okay.
We were exporting to Sri Lanka, so when you make there is no import duty, and so we thought we'll start manufacturing there itself.
Okay. Mhm. But exporting from Sri Lanka to US clients, does it have
No. That was not possible because India is more, what to say, it is like for exporting from India is more economical.
Okay. So basically, that Sri Lankan subsidiary caters to only local Sri Lankan market, is it?
Yeah, it's 100% only local market.
Okay, got it. Now it's clear. And sir, while you have said that you will make an effort to develop Asia and European market, but
Yeah.
what I actually wanted to understand was that other companies have already done their bit and they are already more focused on Europe. Versus you have been successful in getting to US market, which is much more
No,
difficult.
no, no, no. Let me answer this question.
Mhm.
See, we were into Europe only.
Okay.
Last 10 years, we shifted to US because we found better pricing, better product mix in the US.
Okay.
To start with, we were also 100% into Europe only.
Okay.
See, we are now 50-year-old company.
Yeah.
This
Mhm.
company, yeah, we know this business. It's a family business. You know that.
Right. Right. Exactly.
So it's all. We finished Europe and went to Europe, US.
Okay. Got it. Understand.
And one of the questions which you had asked was lino bag and all tarpaulin. Everything
Yeah.
we have started and finished it.
Okay. But as far as I know, I mean, as of now, the Lino bag and other things are not in our this company. I think it is
No,
a
no, 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 no. No,
company.
let me tell you, lino bag, we were number one in India.
Mm-hmm.
Number one in India. Biggest producer of lino bag in India.
Mm-hmm.
Earlier, some 15 years back.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Today, competition, too much of competition. So we shifted. That's it.
Okay. Understood.
FIBC.
Right. And sir, lastly, this is just last clarification about the distributors. So I understand that ultimate pricing to the consumer is driven by the competition. But when we sell to the distributor, do we specify the price to the distributor that this is the price you have to sell to the consumer, and they
No,
just
no, 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 no.
it is
That
just
we
the
don't know.
distributor's own wish.
See, the problem is why we have chosen distributor is
Mhm.
yeah, there is a concept of just-in-time delivery, right?
Okay.
So we cannot do it in just-in-time.
Right. Okay.
So the distributor stocks it for few months
Mm-hmm.
and delivers in a small pieces.
Okay.
So we cannot go to the end user directly
Okay.
because they need only 1,000 bags or 500 bags per day, which we
Right.
cannot deliver it from here.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, I understand that need for distributors. So basically, then they have the pricing decision also in their hand as to which price they want to sell to the ultimate consumer.
See, we don't know exactly the
Mhm.
what price they are selling to the end user
Okay, got it.
because their main thing is only financing.
Hmm, got it.
Distributor is mostly they are financing for the goods. That's it.
Hmm. Got it. Understand, sir. I think, yeah, thanks a lot for these clarifications. And I really appreciate, what management has achieved over the years, and that's why your company is of interest to me. And I will keep interacting probably from next year onwards on every AGM. Thanks for providing all the detailed answers. That's it from my side, sir. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Good.
Thank you, shareholder. Now I invite the second speaker, Mr. K. Hitesh, to speak.
Hello. Audible?
The voice is not audible, sir.
Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Just speak louder, sir.
Okay, so I've already sent in my questions, but I'll just quickly repeat them for the convenience of everyone.
No, no, I have it with me, but everything is answered.
I just wanted to know some more points. Can I just explain the question to
Yeah,
you?
yeah, yeah. Please, please.
So, I just wanted to know the industry you serve from your FIBC and PP woven segments, the end users. If you
End
can,
users or chemicals, fertilizers, anything which is in powder form
can you
or
like
granules, food.
quantify and quantify the percentage? How much is how much?
Percentage wise, see, Today, for our company, mostly it is construction industry, food industry.
Okay. So my next question is, you have already mentioned in the annual report that you have utilized the sales proceeding from the machinery for repayment of short-term credit loans and liquidation of term loans. So are there any other further proceeds to be utilized, or that's all from the current sale proceeds?
Okay.
And if there are any more proceeds to be utilized, what are you expecting to do with this?
No, I didn't hear you properly. Can you repeat?
So you have already mentioned in the annual report that you have used the sales proceeds
Sound சரியா
of.
ஒரே சவுண்ட் சரியா கேட்கல, எக்கோ வருது. Can you please repeat because it's not clear.
Oh, cool.
Clarity is.
So you have already mentioned in the annual report that you have used your sales proceeds from the machinery for short-term credit loans and term loans. Are
Yeah.
there any more further proceeds to be realized from the sale of textile unit? If yes, then how much and what can we expect
See,
from?
the textile division sale will be entirely, will complete the term loans, whatever is existing, and the entire textile division will be used for producing FIBCs there.
Okay, so what is your
Because FIBC, we are very strong, the market is good. So we are, next few months, it will be completely filled with, occupied with FIBCs.
okay, understood? Yeah. So what is the planned capacity addition in the FIBC expansion, and what is the quantum of that project?
What is the?
What is the planned capacity addition in the FIBC
Yeah,
segment?
we are already um, increasing our finishing section expansion. It is going on.
It would be better if you could quantify that.
Yeah, probably we'll achieve. See, for example, approximately we are doing around 1,000 tons. Probably 1,150 to 200 tons will be there in next few months.
Okay, understood. ठीक है, then what are the new markets and applications we are exploring for the new capacity?
The new market, let me tell you, we are not exploring Europe anymore because there is a big competition there.
Okay,
US, we are doing very good there in the US. Little bit of Australia, little bit of New Caledonia, all still going on.
okay. And could you please share your outlook on revenue growth and margin?
To replace, sorry, not able to hear.
So you can show some light on outlook on your revenue growth and margin expansion for FY24.
Revenue growth. Yeah, definitely. We are, whenever, see, the textile division is going to be occupied with FIBC, naturally revenue growth will be there, 20%.
Okay. And anything on the margins front?
Yeah, naturally. See, I can't, exactly prediction is not possible, right? We don't know how US dollar is going to behave.
Okay,
It
understood.
all depends.
That's all from my side. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, shareholder. Now I invite the third speaker, Mr. R. Sakti Kumar, to speak.
Hello.
Sir, you can speak now.
Okay, sir. நமது நிறுவனத்தின் ஆண்டு பொதுக்குழு கூட்டத்தில் கலந்து கொண்டுள்ள அனைவருக்கும் எனது காலை வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இந்த பொதுக்குழு கூட்டத்தில் பேச வாய்ப்பளித்த நிர்வாக இயக்குனர் திரு ராம்ஜி அவர்களுக்கும் மற்ற இயக்குநர்களுக்கும் நிறுவனத்தின் அனைத்து நிர்வாக அலுவலர்களுக்கும் எனது நன்றியினை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். தற்போது உள்ள உலக பொருளாதார மந்த நிலையிலும் கம்பெனி தொடர்ச்சியாக 200 கோடிக்கு மேல் வர்த்தகம் செய்து வருவது மிகவும் சந்தோஷம் அளிப்பதாக உள்ளது. மேலும் நமது நிறுவனம் சூரிய ஒளி மின்சாரத்தை ஊக்குவிக்கும் வகையில் 1.3 மெகாவாட் ரூஃப்டாப் சோலார் ப்ராஜெக்டினை செயல்படுத்தி சுய மின்சார உற்பத்தி மூலம் நிறுவனத்தின் உற்பத்தி செலவை குறைப்பது போன்ற செயல்கள் மிகவும் பாராட்டுக்குரியது. சோலார் ப்ராஜெக்டுக்கான முழு பலன்கள் இந்த ஆண்டு நிதி அறிக்கையில் தெரிய வரும் என தெரிவித்திருக்கிறார்கள். இத்தகைய சீரிய முயற்சி மற்றும் செயல்கள் மூலம் வரும் ஆண்டுகளில் நிறுவனம் நல்ல வளர்ச்சியை பெறும் என்பதில் எந்த மாற்று கருத்தும் இல்லை. மற்றும் நமது நிறுவனம் வரும் ஆண்டுகளில் அனைத்து செயல்களிலும் மென்மேலும் உயர்ந்து பங்குதாரர்களுக்கு சிறப்பான முறையில் டிவிடெண்ட் வழங்க வேண்டும் என கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன். வாய்ப்பளித்தமைக்கு மீண்டும் நன்றி கொடுக்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
In this annual general meeting, 7 resolutions are proposed for members' consideration and approval through e-voting. I would like to read out the resolutions. Number 1, adoption of company's standalone and consolidated audited financial statements for the year ended 31st March 2024 through ordinary resolution. Reappointment of Sri S.V. Ravi, Director, who retired by rotation through ordinary resolution. Reappointment of Sri S.R. Venkatnarayan Raja as an independent director for second term of 5 consecutive years with effect from 1st September 2024 through special resolution. Reappointment of Sri V.S. Jagadish as an independent director for second term of 5 consecutive years with effect from 1st September 2024 through special resolution. Reappointment of Sri R. Sundaram as an independent director for second term of 5 consecutive years with effect from 1st September 2024 through special resolution. Reappointment of Sri Rajesh Devarajan as an independent director for second term of 5 consecutive years with effect from 20th September 2024 through special resolution. Approve the contract with related parties through ordinary resolution. The board had appointed Sri B. Subramanian, practicing company secretary, as a scrutinizer to scrutinize the votes cast by the shareholders through e-voting and voting during this meeting, and to submit his consolidated report. The result of remote e-voting and venue e-voting during this AGM, along with scrutinizer report for all 7 resolutions, will be announced to the stock exchange and displayed in the company's website within 2 working days from the conclusion of this meeting. A vote of thanks. I thank all the directors, key managerial personnel, statutory auditor, secretarial auditors, speaker shareholders, and other attendees for their active participation in this meeting. I also thank NSCL team for their excellent services provided for successful conducting of this e-voting and AGM through video conference. Thank you.
Thank you to all.
With the permission of the chairman, we are concluding this meeting. Thank you.